Locate bottom center by measuring in an accurate fashion from 4 points 90 degrees apart, usually at a weldment at the juncture of the bottom steelwork in the vertical sidewalls. Position all segments of the bottom center plug while mortaring respective joints, and then double check for position accuracy. Begin installation of the initial ring of brick using mortar between brick as required to keep brick in the proper radial orientation. Initiate second ring and balance of rings in same fashion using mortar between rings of brick to maintain concentric geometry of the rings. Complete ring by measuring and cutting proper key-up shape. Key-up shape should fit snug, not tight, and should not be driven into place with a great deal of force. Brick rings should not be keyed in same spot from ring to ring, but move several brick back and forth in each consecutive ring to avoid the key-up from being in the same spot. Complete the bottom installation and prepare for installation of the magnesite base drive vibratable by sweeping clean the void to be filled with the drive vibratable as well as bottom proper to avoid any unacceptable debris from ending up in this area. Bringing the bulk bag with the drive vibratable into position in the EAF and slit the bottom to permit a flow of material from the bag that is manageable as one works the bag around the periphery of the bottom, filling it to the top. Begin to level, de-air, and vibrate the drive vibratable to achieve a level base for 360 degrees around EAF. Every brick in first course should be leveled front to back and left to right to ensure that the balance of the brick will be level as well without further effort being made along that line. Cut key up to key course. Key should fit snugly and not to be driven into place with a great deal of force. Begin to lay subsequent courses, making sure to place the expansion medium 1 inch of material ideally behind all courses. Lay proper number of courses to be able to position tap hole with the spout already in place, having been positioned when bottom was completed. Again, after achieving proper number of courses, install precast slag-off door block and initiate installation of pre-cut door jambs. After tap hole is positioned, begin to lay balance of sidewall brick in proper zones as identified by drawing according to the brick quality and length. Complete brick installation to within 3 inches of base of water-cooled panels. Ram with chrome containing phos-bonded high aluminum plastic, 3-inch gap at the base of the water-cooled panels, full, and then begin to ram cove in front of gap and extending to 6 to 8 inches up from the water-cooled panels. Ram with same material in and around all door jambs and slag off door brick sealing area from any undesired slag and metal penetration.